This is an article published from two economists, one from MIT and one from Spain. And that, they said this is a very hot topic now also. But in 2003, this was one of the first. So technology is bad because it wrecks the middle class.
Donc, il dit que la technologie, c'est pas bon. Il nous prend le poste de l'employé et tout ça. Et les auteurs étaient des économistes. Et il y en a plusieurs comme ça. Donc, plusieurs auteurs, et quelques d'entre eux sont fameux. Ils sont contre la technologie, l'intelligence artificielle. Pourquoi? Parce qu'il dit, il nous prend le nombre de postes d'emploi. Donc, ça veut dire que crée des problèmes de société.
I published this book in 2012, Automation, okay, now has been distributed 102,000 copies around the world. I made the case that automation, it is sustainable.
Because we do more with less. And that is one of the principles of sustainability. We replace the tendency, the routine work with machines, and we liberate the space and mind to deal with more innovative ways.
Sure, automation in AI will take some jobs away. And the issue is, that is the role of the government. I mentioned the three pillars are equally important. The role of the government to give money to give these people that do job, to give them training in the new technology, even for free. That's the role of the government. It's a very important one, to prepare them for the new technologies. Those people that lose the job because of the routine, they can go train for new challenges and for free, without pay. So this is the beauty of this. At the end of the day, we have more gains than losses.
Then this is not just theory. We have used automation AI to decrease the energy consumption and consumption in industry, got to 40%. Yield increase in yield by 10 to 20 to 30%. Quality of products, increase of fluctuation, decrease of fluctuation by 40%. Decrease of number shutdowns by 30%, decrease of waste emission by up to 50%, and additional financial profit per reactor from $500,000 to $12 million. Depends on the reactor. So this is not just theory speaking, but this is also how it affects